2019 Tesla Model X. Client concern is rear tires are wearing out prematurely. Wheel is out already. And what's happening, I think that's her second or third set of tires that she's on right now. So within 7 to 10,000 miles, the inner edge of the tire just wears out and steel belt starts to show. Excessive camber wear. She took it to service center, Tesla service center. They did align it, but they can't adjust the camber because there's no you can't adjust the camber unless you buy an aftermarket kit, which is this company right there, Intuitive. Expensive, but well worth it. It comes with two toe arms right there and two camber arms right there. Adjustment is right there. There are two adjustment on a camber you can do: fine adjustment and coarse adjustment. I'm not sure if my camera's picking it up, but let's see if I can put my finger there. So let me get the light over here. Okay. So right there, coarse adjustment and fine adjustment over there. So two different adjustments you can do. Same thing with the toe arm right there. The kit comes with for the toe arm. The kit comes with the bolt and two brackets. So this bracket will fit right there. So you can adjust toe from there. You can only adjust toe from here now. The head of the bolt from the factory, that head of the bolt is over here and the nut side is over here. So in order to take this bolt out, you got to take the subframe down, but you can cut the bolt, which we did. We cut the bolt and put the head of the bolt. This bolt came with the kit, so we put the bolt right there and nut right there. So once again, you got to cut that bolt. So this is what you're looking at. Everything's done and she's ready to go, and she's gonna get her car aligned. So that should take care of her camber concern. Show you the difference. This is right off the factory, Tesla. Toe arms, and this is camber arms right out of the factory. What a difference. But like I said, rear camber you cannot adjust, rear toes you can adjust. Yeah, so thought I'd make a quick video about this, and that's it. Hopefully all you Tesla owners, especially Model S's and X's between 2012 to 20, I believe 20 S's and X's, they have this issue. Yeah, check them out. You might like them. Expensive, like I said, but it's well worth it.